India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my
brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of
proud of
its rich
its rich
and very heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders.
and elders.
I shall treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I praise my devotion.
I place my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you so